Well, hello, my name's Dean DeLisle. I am the Chief Revenue Officer here at S2A Modular, and I'm on part 9 of a little mini-series I've been doing on a McKinsey report called Construction Disruption, The Next Normal. So as we think about this last piece, and I know this is probably obvious for us because we're S2A Modular, which stands for Sustainability to a Higher Power. Number 9 is sustainability. But sustainability has many different definitions. So it's already an important decision by many of us in the industry and many of us connected to the industry at this point. So you've heard us talk about our lowest voltage, lowest amperage, not just builds in homes and commercial, but our factories, right? A lot of DC conversion, things that are very unique to us, and that's how we're addressing things. But you'll also hear us talking about in our webinar, and I do encourage that you listen to the webinar, especially in the technology segment. We talk about low voltage solutions. We talk about safer internet solutions, right, within the home. So we're taking that, internet that everybody's afraid of out there, and we're taking and we use Wi-Fi in the home. So again, and in our builds. So again, that's a whole different type of technology that's healthier for people. We use organic materials, right? So that helps sustainability. It helps us breathe better, live better, and really helps the builds become better as part of the whole process. But you also have the type of machinery that you use. What are they emitting into the atmosphere? We have our trucks. We ordered, they're not here yet, and they're a little bit on back order, but the new Tesla semis, which are very good for the environment as well. And you think about as you pick suppliers, so we have graphene solar panels that are a little bit different than the rest, but they actually generate more power with a smaller footprint, right? So you don't need to use as much material. So you'll hear us talk about water solutions, where we're taking water out of the air, or we're reusing potable water for watering lawns, or we're taking water out of the air for drinking water, things like that. So I want you to consider, sustainability is a much bigger picture, because some of the things that you do now affect the planet later or people later. So again, always keeping an eye on this, but I do encourage you to watch that second segment of the webinar that gets into a little more of the technology, renewable energy components, and sustainability. So again, from all of us here, I appreciate you. If you've listened to all 9 segments, or if you missed some, just go back. It's somewhere here on YouTube. And appreciate you listening and then tuning in, and also your support. We do appreciate your partnership. So from all of us here at S2A Modular, hope to see you again soon on another Modular Minute, a webinar, a project, a Zoom meeting, whatever it is. And thank you again for your partnership, and we'll see you soon.
Hi, Kat here, Director of Investor Relations at S2A Modular. Thank you so much for watching the Modular Minute. I wanted to invite you to our upcoming live webinar exclusively for investors. We get into the details of how we are building modular renewable energy smart homes and how you can be involved as an investor. Just click the link in the description below to register for the event.